Hey everybody, this is David Caldwell with Hillshire Realty Group, and today we're at the Metropolitan in Portland's Pearl District.
The Metropolitan is located on 10th and Lovejoy, across the street from Lovejoy Bakers and adjacent to Tanner Spring Park. This building features 136 condominiums, was built in 2006, stands 19 stories high, and is LEED Silver certified. Amenities include a 24-hour concierge, nighttime security, guest suites for rent, a fitness room, a community room, and an incredible outdoor common area living space. If you have any questions about this building or other buildings in the Pearl District, we'd love to connect with you. Please get in touch with us at david@hillshirerealtygroup.com, or you can follow me on Instagram at David C. Caldwell.